Hey developers, welcome to our channel Rain Code. Basically, we are here to introduce a new Python package which will enhance your coding workflow and reduce your code repetition, which you write again and again. This package not only helps you to stop rewriting, also helps the new coders to write the program or to learn the program by providing the repo as open source, which will help a lot of new developers to understand how each and every functions are written and as well as to stop rewriting the codes. Initially, if you want to write a program, you will write so and so codes to make it executable, right? Here, what if we say a shortcut for that? Let's say to check whether it is a leap year or not just by using a method name is leap year. Let's say year check. Isn't it that easy? Yes, it is that easy. You can find this package in PyPy. You can find the project. Once clicking it, you can get the whole installation process. All you need to do is just click on the copy button and paste it on the working terminal to install it. Yes, again it is that simple. And how to use it? Go for the documentation page by clicking on this link, and here you can find and paste it on your terminal. Always check for the latest version from the documentation page and the installation version of the PyGrams, it is matching or not. You can go for the documentation page and you can get the import command. Once you click on, you can copy that and paste the command here. Once you paste, you can see the error has been gone. And if you try to run this py command again, sorry, I haven't saved it. Once you save and rerun the code, you can get false because 2002 is not a leap year and 2000 is it true. Yes, how simple it is, right? Yes, it is that simple. What if you want to generate a unique id? You can go for the documentation page and check for the generators. Under the generators you can find a generate uid. So how can we use that? Let's say a unique id, right? Unique id and generate unique uuid method name. You just call it, that's it. And once you print this unique id, just save it and run the main file. You can get a unique. Not only that, you can also get the file utils, which will help you to read the file, write the file, delete the file, renaming it, copying it, getting file sizes, and etc. Not only this, you can also convert the sizes from one to another. Not only this, again, you can also convert sizes and you change snake to camel case and camel to snake case, Pascal to snake, and vice versa, and more. You can do string manipulation, time manipulation, algorithmic utils, searching, sorting, and so much more. This package not only gives you the methods alone as well as the whole code written in the backend. How to get that? You just need to click on the method name. Say for example is leap year, you will get the whole code from the backend. And that's it. You can get the whole code right in front of you in your screen. can copy the code and rewrite it in your code base. Just remove these comments if you don't need it, if it is not necessary. And what else you are waiting for? Until the next videos, bye bye and take care.